Imagine designing your own circuit board, pressing send and holding it in your hands. No expensive software, no limits. Today, I will show you the tool that makes that possible. KiCad is a free open source electronic design automation tool used by students, hobbyists, and startups, and even professionals. With KiCad, you can design schematics and turn them into PCBs and prepare files for real manufacturing. Most beginners quit electronics because tools are either too expensive or too complicated. KiCad removes both problems. In this series, I will take you from zero to designing real manufacturable PCBs. And by the end of this series, you won't just use KiCad, you will think like a PCB designer. If you are serious about electronics, PCB design, or building real hardware projects, subscribe now. Next video, we break down the KiCad user interface so nothing feels confusing ever again.